So for this video, I would like to explaining the overloading the arithmetic and relational operators. They are plus, minus, times, divide, and less than, equal them. I'm going to give example for plus, minus, less than, and equal, equal. All right. So we are going to overload them. Then you notice when we are going to use friends. When we say it's a friends, that means this plus sign can use, if you call this operator plus function, that means this plus function can retrieve any of your private variables inside your class, and which that's why we want, because an object is encapsulate of a unit that you may include variables and methods. And variable may not be one variables. That's why we have to deal with each one. And so we have to, normally these will be a friends. You want to define them as a friend function. Let's take a look. For this one, I will wanted you to download length.cpp, length.h, and 11-10.cpp. Let's take a look at length.h file right now. In the length.h file right here, okay. So at the length.h file here, the length, I have a inch and feet. So my measurement for the length is not just one thing. There are two things. There's how many feet and how many inches. Okay, in the by inches. And so once we have feet and inches, then we are going to convert them. Okay, so get feet divided by 12, and the inch was mod by 12, and the rest of them will be inches. Set length and set width. Okay, so most important is right here. These four friends function, I am going to set them as friends because I would allow them to get into any two objects to plus the first length. So first measurement, length measurement, and second length measurement. That's what I want to do. So I'm coming to my length.cpp right now. So look, when I do plus, so I do inch plus inch. After I do inch plus inch, then I'll convert them to feet and inch. When I minus, I do inch minus inch, and equal, and I'm going to check their inch to inch. Less, I'm check whether the inch less than inch. Okay, so one more time. So I'm compared to these two, and then right here I can get feet, and get inches. So right here, once I do it, I get inches, then I'm going to convert. So let's take a look at the program right here. So right here, I have three kinds of length measurement: first, second, and third. And I'm looking for the feet and inches. So the first one, if I ask anything, so I'll add two measure. One is for feet, one is for the inch. And I set length. Second one, I set length. When I do first plus second, I add these two numbers inch together. Okay. Then I'm going to conversion to get the feet. Conversion get inch. To get feet, by divide by 12. And to get inch, by mod by 12, and the remainder. And we can subtract, and we are going to check whether they are equal, and check whether the first one are smaller than second one. All right, so I'm going to run it for you right now. All right, so let me run this program with you right now. So I build it. And I start without debugging. So the first one, let me just do easy one. How about that? 3 inch, 3 feet, okay, 2 inch. How about that? Okay. Second one is 2 feet, 9 inch. Oh, how about 9 inch? That's fine. All right. So when I add together, that's 5 feet and 11 inch. But when I subtract, 2 inch is not enough to subtract 9 inch. So I borrow 1 from here. Is that right? That becomes 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. So that's add is 5 feet, 11 inch. And subtract is 0 feet, 5 inches. They are not equal. So it's false. The first one is not smaller than the second one. So now overload is because we have more than one thing. We cannot use the standard plus, minus, or greater than, equal them. That's why we have to redefine them. Overload means redefine. Redefine your standard operator. Make your operator as more complicated functions. I hope you enjoy this video.